By the way, I made you something today. It will be in tomorrow's video. Hey guys, sorry, just working on my skate moves. Welcome back to my channel. I am the rapper known as Twix Bar. New album, You Ate My Twin, dropping October 31st. Get ready for the drop, gonna be melty. There's an issue in the comments section. There's far too many nameless faces and faceless names. We can say they're strangers? No. Everyone who comments on my videos is my best friend. And if you comment a hate message on my video, then you're my best hater. Keep it up. Where others might see this as a hidden figure to ignore, I don't. I see it as opportunity. So here's what we're doing today, cool kids. I'm going through a number of comments and I'm gonna pick out a number of people to brand. We're gonna brand the comment section. The guys with no profile pictures. I've chosen 7. I probably only wanna do like 4. Mr. Banana, that's a good one. And he wrote a nice message. But fun, we got one funny name already. Let's leave that. Katie Chandler. The top 2 are actually Buffalo Wild Wings. Lamau, hater. Bye, Katie. I'm sorry, Katie. Andy Jesus, of course. Jesus is my best friend. Nash, what a good name. Oh, and he left a nice comment too. Okay, we're gonna do Nash. Eric Cicero is dope, but loses legibility. Oh, does it though? Does it? You just lost legibility. I'm sorry. I love you. Madison Brown. We need one like normal name in here. Okay, we're gonna do these 4. Every good and serious and professional graphic designer, just such as myself, needs a fantastic brief full of good information to be able to make a good logo. So I can tell that this was written 1 day ago, and I have a friend whose favorite number is 3. So Madison is 13 years old. Looks awkward coming straight down. Okay, so she doesn't like straight things. Skew to the side along the same lines. This is good. She's building a cohesive prompt for us. 3/4 view. She only likes to see 3/4 of things. Also, side note, her father's name is Maddie because she's Maddie's son. Last thing to note, Madison Brown absolutely hates the color brown. Andy Jesus. Okay, we can tell pretty obviously that he is religious, but he wants something memorable. Series. He wants a series of something. Maybe we could do a series of icons. Also, he's into like popular stuff, so he really likes Katy Perry. Nobody tell him that she's not popular anymore. Oh, I'm so sorry. And he likes Elvis Presley. I do too. What a coincidence. The number 1 thing you should know about Mr. Banana is that he absolutely loves oranges. Says he loves hope. What's an image of hope? A dove. He wants a dove in his logo. And he sees, so he would like an eye. You might be thinking that since he made his profile picture pink, he wants a different color. Nope. He loves pink. Nash is here. Homie's making rhymes without even knowing at this point. Listen, Twix Bar always knows, but he likes rhymes. His name is Nash, like Steve Nash. And Steve Nash is also Canadian. He likes cherry, so we'll make something cherry colored. He uses the word homies, which I think means that he works for the government. Okay, my arcade tokens, let's take this very serious. She's 13 years old, wants things skewed, and her dad's name is Maddie. Perfect. I'm gonna find a font that does all that. I found this font, it's called Nirvatica. You can find it on myfonts.com. I think it's very 13-year-old, and I think it's not straight. I'm gonna stack them like this so it's a little bit easier. That's what we're about here. Meaningful stacking. 2 of the same things on top of each other, it looks kind of redundant. So something cool to do is to flip one of them. Oh, Zim, that's not an N, that's a Z now. Cool, Z's the coolest letter. Now let's make our W come up a little bit. Okay, she wants something skewed. Okay, here we go. Make my day. Skew me, son. Skew it like this. Gotta move it all together once more. Okay, that looks sick. She only likes to see 3/4 of things. Obviously, we don't want the top of this A. Sometimes our clients, they ask for crazy stuff. You know, we just gotta deliver. Yes, I know, I'm sorry guys, but this is what Madison asked for. It has to be this way. All right. So we're only seeing 1/4 of each letter. I'm gonna make it like a little bit of a sticker thing, shall we? Boom, Madison Brown. Okay, these colors are awesome for every age, but especially when you're a teenager. That's so fun. Let's do it again. Ba-bam. We're missing the fact that her father's name is Maddie. So we'll go. She is her father's son. Madison is a regular human, okay? And every regular human sometimes gets mad for areas where her logo needs to be smaller. Okay, here comes your new icon. Let's make it yellow, shall we? No, let's do everyone an individual color. Put one more behind. Okay, here we go, Madison. Okay, Maddie's son, based on the in-depth brief you provided me with, here is my design. So I've zoomed in pretty good on it for you, Madison, so you can take a screenshot. Please screenshot it, upload it as your profile, and then leave a comment if you believe I hit the brief for you. Thank you so much. All right, guys, vote in the poll right now whether or not Madison is gonna use this new branding or not. Andy, Jesus. He wants something religious, likes Katy Perry and Elvis Presley. So I'm gonna find something, man. Font's called Fort Yukon. You can find it on my fonts as well. I'm going to adjust the size of this hole. Icons of Katy Perry and Elvis, and in that way it might be memorable. Katy Perry, back when she was popular, she had a couple songs that were like lips. Taste of her cherry chapstick. Let's do some Elvis pants, like fancy schmancy bell bottoms. Let's do a little bit of fance on the sides, like that, and like that. Something religious, and another icon. Remember that Jesus wept. Some teardrops. All I want keeps me wishing on a wishing star. I remember he wants a series, right? So we go like this again, and then like this one more time. This is ridiculous. Cool, now we just need to work on like a layout. All right, maybe I should have like curved it more around the circle. Well, whatever. Remember, it has to be memorable. And we need like a yellow. Maybe they don't have to be outlines. Probably stronger if they're not outlines. Okay, here we go. I'm digging this layout, y'all. I'm digging this layout. These are sick. All right, Andy, my man, based on your awesome, fantastic brief, here is the branding I came up with for your very clear brand that you established. Here, so I have 3 color options. Screenshot your favorite and use it as your profile pic, and then comment on something so all of us design champions will know which one you used. All right, design champions, vote now in the poll. Do you think he'll use the black and yellow, which is color combo A? Do you think he'll use the red and yellow, which is color combo B? Or do you think he'll use the yellow and black, color combo C? And we'll wait for Andy Jesus to write a comment. Okay, so Mr. Banana loves oranges. He wants a dove, he wants an eye, he wants it pink. Start with an orange, dude. There you go, that's a beautiful orange, oh my gosh. Leave a comment in the poll if you've been to Florida. Let's make it orange so people know it's a banana. It's a thing of beauty. He wants a dove in there. What on earth does a dove look like? Dove has a wing like that. Sure. Then comes like a dove thing, comes up to the beak. Yep, that's right. Has a small little head, and then it comes down. Sure, perfect. Legitness, dude. Let's make another wing for the backside. Okay. Inside the eye, what do we need? Madison Brown would not be pleased. Okay, there we go. I want to make our dove white, so first we need a background. It has to be this pink that he's already using. He loves it. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. But what do we need? We need some font that says Mr. Banana. Custom typography. Bam. And what do ends look like? Like that. Switch, exchange your life. What color is a banana? You're right, it's purple. But we are, just for this purposes, are gonna make it yellow. Mr. Banana. Here are the results based on the requirements from the brief that you sent me. I think I nailed it. Pick your favorite color combo. Screenshot it, upload it to your profile, and leave a comment so we can all see what you chose. To vote in the poll right now, which element of this design you like the best? Is it the bird? Is it the orange eye? Or is it the font? All right, let's do it. Now remember, Nash likes rhymes. He likes Steve Nash, who's Canadian. He likes a cherry color. He's from the government. So I'm thinking we can go in the direction of Nash Cash because it rhymes and Steve Nash is very rich. So we have cash in here. But first, let's make it like a cherry color. Beautiful cherry color. The pie crust, cherry pie. So we're gonna make pie crust. Here we go. Nash is Canadian. Basically the only thing I can think of. We are doing it. No regard for Canada. Shout out to all my Canadians. You guys are sick. Nash Cash Eyelash. Or we could put a basketball in here. Do they have like another line? Here we go. How do we get the government into this logo? The government always uses large typography and the leaf. We did it. Yeah, okay, it feels governmental. Good. All right, Nash, those are my results based on the prompt that you gave me. I think it's pretty cool. I think we got Steve Nash in there. We got a lot of rhymes. We got Canada. We got the Canadian government. Represent. Here, they are very large, so you can screenshot them and use them for your profile picture. Let me know in the poll right now whether you guys think Nash will use this as his new branding to represent who he is. You know, I tried to base it as much on his life as possible. Okay, Design Champos, here's a look back at the branding that we've done today for our 4 faceless design champions. We have to tell them, hey Madison, I made you something in tomorrow's video. By the way, I made you something today. And I also hope you see tomorrow's video. I made you something. It's wild how the rhymes flow. I have a present for you. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed the design process for all 4 of these homies. If they comment on this video, make sure to give their comments a like so we can see if they took the stuff or not. And also, if you like the concept of this video and you might like to see more, make sure to give it a like so that I'll be able to know, oh, okay, people liked that concept. I hope the middle of your week is going phenomenal. All right, stay awesome, possum, and I'll see you later, alligator. Bye, guys.